Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are well. Today I'll teach you what is Facebook portal. So today's video topic is what is Facebook portal. Facebook portal is the name of Facebook's video messaging devices. There are two different devices under the portal umbrella which are differentiated by their screen size. The Facebook portal has a 10.1 in the screen, while Facebook portal Plus has a 15.6 in screen, and it also able to stand vertically or rotated horizontally for use in their orientation. The main purpose of Facebook portal is to connect with Facebook contacts primarily through video calling. When not being used for audio or video calls, it can play music, be used to watch videos, display photos, or used as an eco device with Alexa assistant. Portal debuted with a price of $199, with Portal Plus was priced at $349. Portal features and benefits: 12 megapixel camera with a 140-degree viewing angle. The portal has a 720 pixel display resolution 1200 to 800, while the Portal Plus has a 1080 pixel resolution 1920 to 1080. 4 microphone array to pick up voices in any location throughout the room. Portal has a 10-watt speakers. Portal Plus has 20-watt speakers. Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi are used for connectivity. Built-in Alexa assistant to answer questions or execute voice commands like other eco device. What can Facebook portal do? Facebook tagline is for portal is if you can't be there, feel there. Facebook wants to position portal as a way to connect with Facebook contacts in a way that goes beyond a standard video call. This is addressed in a few ways: sight, sound, and interaction. Portal has a smart artificially intelligent camera capable of tracking a person in the frame to continue keeping them inside. The camera can also automatically zoom and in out of wider field of view based on people entering or leaving a room, for example. When you are on a video call with others, you can listen to music and other media together from sources like Facebook Watch, Spotify, or Heart Media. As mentioned previously, Portal features Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, so it can be used to find answers to questions, set timers, and more. It should also be able to Alexa eco device. So in this video, I will teach you what is Facebook portal. So thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.